Good morning, dear students. Students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, as we have done exercise 3A in my previous video. Now today we will do exercise 3B of your book. Now let's start question number 1. See, in question number 1 we have given write the place value of the deserts. And see A part, that is 27,835. Beta, in this we have to find out the place value of 5. Now what is place value? Beta, each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position in the place value chart. That is the place value. Beta, देखो, see, in this 27,835, okay, as we have already done place value chart, so this will become ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, now see, we have to find out the place value of this 5. Okay, now as you can see, this 5 is at the ones place, so the place value will become 5 ones, so this will become 5. Okay, the place value of 5 will be 5. Next is we have to find out the place value of 3. Now as you can see, ones, tens, so the place value of 3 will be 3 tens, so this will become 30. Okay, now we have to find out the place value of 8 now. See, this is 8, so this 8 is at the hundreds position. Okay, so the place value of 8 will be 800. So this will become 800. Okay, now see, we have to find out the place value of 7. So the place value of 7 will ones, tens, 100,000. This is at the thousands place, so this will become 7,000s. So this will become 7,000. Okay, now see, now we have to find out the place value of 2. So this will become 2 10,000. So this will become 20,000. Okay, बेटा आप ये देखिए 2 के बाद how many digits are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have put 4 zeros. Also, after this 7, the place value of this 7 will become 7,000. Also, you can write, see, after 7 there are 3 places. So I have written here 3 zeros. Okay, बेटा आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Okay, now see, it's C part. Okay, now see, here we have given ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now here this will become 6,48,051. Now we have to find out the place value of 1. So this will become 1 is at the ones place. So the place value of 1 is 1. Now the place value of 5, that is 5 tens. So this will become 50. Okay, the place value of 0 is 0. Always 0. The place value of 0 is always 0. Okay, now here the place value of 8. As you can see, 8 is at the thousands place. So the place value of 8 will be 8,000. Okay, now see, this 6 is at the lakh place. So the place value of 6 will be 6 lakh. Okay, now this will become 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now see its last part, I part. Beta, see its I part. Here we have given 5 crore 69,347. Okay, now see, firstly we will write the place value at the top. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, now we have to find out the place value of this 5. As you can see, this 5 is at the crore place. So the place value of 5 will become 5 crore. Okay, see, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the place value of 5 will become 5 crore. Sorry, here also we have to put 2 zeros. Okay, now so this will become 5 crore. As you can see, after 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits na, so we have to put here 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now see, we have to find out the place value of 6. So this will become, 6 is at the 10,000s place, so the place value of 6 will become 60,000. Okay, now the place value of 9 will become, 9 is at the thousands place, so 9 will be the place value of 9 will become 9,000. Okay, now see, the place value of 3 will be, 3 is at the hundreds place, so the place value of 3 will become 300. Now see, the place value of 4, we have to find out the place value of 4. So this will become 4 tens. So this will become 4 tens. So this will become 40. Okay, students, remaining these sums will do it by yourself. Okay, now these remaining sums will do it by yourself. Now see question number 2. Now see, here we have given fill in. Okay, here we have given fill in. See, in A part, in 13,572, 3 is in the dash place and 1 is in the dash place. बेटा अब आपको इसमें क्या बताना है कि जो 3 है वो कौन सी प्लेस पे है. So before doing this, firstly we will write the place values at the top. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. बेटा अगर आप इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू इसके टॉप पे लिखेंगे तो आपको इसकी प्लेस वैल्यूज निकालना बहुत इजी रहता है. एंड ऑल्सो दिस विल बिकम मोर इजी दैट कि कौन सी डिजिट कौन सी प्लेस पे है. ओके, सी हियर 3 इज इन द डैश प्लेस. नाउ सी दिस 3 इज एट द which place? See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 3 is in the thousands place. So we will write here thousands. Okay, we will write here 3 is in the thousands place and 1 is in the dash place. As you can see, 1 is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 1 is at the 10,000s place. So we will write here 1 is in the 10,000s place. ओके बेटा, वन मोर थिंग, अगर हम डिजिट्स के ऊपर उसकी प्लेस वैल्यूज लिखेंगे तो दिस विल बिकम मोर इजी टू डू ऑल दीज सम्स. ओके, नाउ सी इन द बी पार्ट, इन 2,47,901, 2 is in the dash place. Now firstly we will write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, now here 2 is in the which place? That is lakhs place. So LAKH. Okay, so 2 is in the lakhs place and 4 is in the 10,000s place. So we will write here 10,000s place. Okay, now see, again see, it's C part. Again I will write place values at the top, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, now here in 15,39,864, 5 is in the dash place. So see, 5 is in the lakhs place. Okay, and 1 is in the 10 lakh place. So we will write here 10 lakhs. Okay, now see in the D part, in 36,581, firstly we will write the place values at the top, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. The digit in the 10,000s place. बेटा अब हमें क्या बताना है कि 10,000 प्लेस पे कौन सी डिजिट है. एज यू कैन सी, वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 प्लेस पे कौन सी डिजिट है? दैट इज 3. So we will write here 3. Okay. And its place value is, and its place value, बेटा इसमें 3 की place value क्या बनेगी? 3 10,000 means 30,000. Okay. Now see in the E part, in 5,98,300. The digit in the lakhs place is, as you can see, this 5 is at the lakh place. Okay. So digit in the lakhs place is 5. Okay. बेटा आप इनकी टॉप पर इनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज भी लिख सकते हो. With the help of this place value, this will become more easy to do this. Okay. 10,000 and lakh. Okay. And its place value is, that is 5 lakh. Okay. Now see in the H part. See in 5,68,392. Firstly, we will write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Okay. Now the place value of 5. Here we have to find out the place value of 5. So this will become 5 lakh. Okay. 5 lakh. Okay. And that of 6 is, see, हमें इसमें बेटा क्या बताना है? प्लेस वैल्यूज बतानी है. 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू बेटा क्या बनेगी? 6 is at the 10,000 place. So this will become 60,000. Okay. Now see in I part. In 62,107, the place value of 6 is that this is 60,000 because 6 is at the 10,000 place. And that of 2 is, that is 2,000 because 2 is at the thousands place. And that of 1 is 100 because 1 is at the hundreds place. Okay. That's all for today. We will do some more sums in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.